Hello guys, welcome back to the Escapades. Thank you guys for your continued support. So today we are this video is all about renewing the old Kenyan driving license, which is renewed using the eCitizen account. So first of all, you have to put on your username, which mostly it's your ID or the email address that you used to sign up to eCitizen. So after you put it on the username portal, on the username side, you put in your password and you log in into your account. Then you move directly into the ntsa portal as I've shown you right there. Then from there it will open and you press continue, and from there you enter the ntsa portal. It may take a little while. Make an application. From there, after making your application, you should go to the driving license section, which is just 1 year currently, because the other one, if you want to apply for 3 years, you'll have to go to the team's account, which allows you to apply for 3 years. After that, you head directly to the payment side of the driving license. It has the various options of M-Pesa, debit card, bank transfer and all that, but I like using the M-Pesa. So you put in your number. After you put in your number, you just press pay. It will bring up a pop-up into your phone, and it will deduct exactly 650 for the 1 year renewal for your driving license. After that, after you have paid for it, you just press complete, and after you press complete, your driving license will have renewed, and it will take you to a new tab where you can reprint the driving license. So that's about it, guys, for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope it was informative enough. I'm going to do a part 2 of how to renew the smart driving license that cost around 3,050 Kenya shillings, and I hope you'll keep it locked. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.